Justin Cornett here at 7308 Flagship Park Drive, showing you how to use the outdoor TV. Again, we've got our indoor kitchen and outdoor kitchen patio remote. Wake up your remote, you just press the light button, make sure you're on the page you want to be on. When you want to turn on the patio TV, press that top right button right there. It'll jump and say Patio Roku at the top. That's how you know you're in the right spot. TV will turn on to the Roku. You have all your apps available. You can move around as you wish. If you accidentally press main and it says kitchen/patio at the top, you will note that it will not control anything at all. No volume, no Roku, nothing. In order to get back into the patio, you can either press the patio remote button or the patio TV audio button to jump back over. Whenever you're ready to power it down, again, make sure it says Patio Roku at the top and press the red button at the top right. It jumps you back to your main screen and you're good to go.